What's going on, animals? Animal here for you. So I put out a little short, technically yesterday. This is shooting Monday the 9th, which is my granddaughter's 2-year-old birthday today. So happy birthday to my little Ray Ray. So I put out a little short and I said, hey, The Warning, Rolling Quartz, and one other one. I'm totally brain farting. I said, which one do you want me to do first? I only had two people that said, do The Warning first, which that's cool. And then one guy was like, but don't skip any of them. I'm like, no, I'm going to do all of them because I want to do all three of these. But we're going to do The Warning today. This is a new one from them called Kerosene. This is probably like my fourth song from them. This chord drives me nuts. I know I had a cordless one and then it stopped working. So anyways, Kerosene. I honestly hope this is better than the last song. The last song was okay. And you guys explained this was kind of a one-off with that dude. Cool. Let's see what they got. Bring the heat. They all have the same tattoo. Wait a minute. Is that real? Do they really have the same tattoos on their back? Because if you notice, from the beginning, Pal comes in. She's got it on her back. And then the other two have it too. A little bit more glammed up with this one. Kills you to be kind, but it's never killed me. That's cool. I'll say it once, won't say it again. Look in my eyes when you're talking to me. It came out of your mouth. Don't try to pretend. Look in my eyes when you're talking to me. Oh, that's hard. That's a beautiful car. Dirty bass line going on too. I'll say it once, won't say it again. Look in my eyes when you're talking to me. It came out of your mouth. Don't try to pretend. Look in my eyes when you're talking to me. Shut down for me. I see right through you. Spray kerosene. You know you want to. I hear it, pal. I hear it. I hear you doing the disco, what I call the disco offbeat hi-hat. I love doing that. I love playing that. Okay, first of all, this car is sick. This car is so sick. That is a beautiful, beautiful car. Color is awesome. They sound amazing. This is a good song. But all of a sudden, I just cued in on Pal's hi-hat. So let's go. Don't try to pretend. Look in my eyes when you're talking to me. Got some distortion on that.
My hair, my style, my jeans. I swear, you copy everything you try to write. The songs I sing, it makes me sick. Straight down for me. I see right through you.
Don't burn that car. Don't burn the car.
You know you want to.
Oh.
Say what you mean. Show me your teeth. When you're talking about my hair, my style, my jeans. I swear you copy everything you try to write. This
Yes.
I say it makes me sick. When you're talking to me. When you're talking to me. When you're talking to me.
That's a good riff. That's a good riff. Okay, that's AI because... Hold on. I say you cannot mess up that car. If you messed up that car, whoever owned it, you must have bought that car for $1 million. I'm sorry, I'm talking about the car a lot. Car is sweet. Okay, the song. I like that song. I feel like that song would just be that much better live because of their energy, and you got like 10 seconds of that at the very end. But I like that way better than the last song. This song has a good groove to it. I like how they kind of make it very, for lack of a better word, they make it very girly. You know, it's very glammy from the very beginning. And I haven't seen that in their other videos or songs where obviously they don't like, how am I trying to say this? Like I feel this one was just a little bit more bubblegum in the whole aspect of the look, but the lyrics were more like, look at me when I'm talking to you. Show your teeth when I'm talking to you. So it had some attitude, but it was like bubblegum attitude. But it made sense because you got that sweet Camaro right there. And flamethrowers. I want a flamethrower. Anyways, that's the new one, Kerosene from The Warning. That's a good song. I like it. I still want to see them in concert. So I need to just stay up to times on their tour to see if they ever come back to Arizona, because that would be a cool show. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate your time. There's a link in the description if you want to buy me a cup of coffee or a glass of whiskey. I would appreciate it. I'll react to whatever song you want me to react to. And hey, check out my Instagram. It's under the same name. Watch my shorts. Not these shorts, but the ones on the videos. And I appreciate it. So live loud, lift heavy, burn slow. This is Animal.